Hi, Mia. Looks like you're having real fun out there. Wow, Mia. That's impressive. Careful out there, though. No! Careful, Mia! Oh my! Mia, are you okay? You've broken one of the pipes during your fall. The well is getting flooded. We need to call Maverick. Coming back real soon, Mia. Hello, little Maverick. Why so sad? Oh, I see. You wish this trampoline could take you way up in the air and make you fly? I'm sure you'll manage eventually, little one. I have a mission for you. Mia was doing some loops, but got stuck in a well, and it's about to get flooded. Can you fetch some help quickly? Mia, are you still there? The well is half filled with water, Maverick. Who should we call to help Mia? Milo and Mitch, of course. Let's go get them. Hi, monster cranes. Something happened to... Guys. Guys, listen. Maverick needs your help. Mia is stuck inside a well that is about to get flooded. Can you help her? Great. Let's go then. There she is. Quick, guys. She's nearly drowning. Don't you worry, Mia. Maverick has brought some help to get you down. Almost there, guys. Use your hook. Gotcha. Mia, try not to fall. Thanks for your help, cranes. You really make a great team when you work together. Now, how are you going to repair these pipes? Oh, boy. Maverick, Mia wants to give you a tour of the city to thank you. You're finally flying, Maverick. Enjoy.
방법이 미리만이 바보.
Oh no! You were so close, Milo and Mitch. Try one more time. Come on! Push hard! Looks like you'll need some help. Let's call Maverick. Well done, Maverick. You're so creative. This is an ingenious solution to move snow. But you'll have to stop it now, as we've got a mission for you. Milo and Mitch need your help. Milo and Mitch are trying to put this giant Christmas tree straight up, but it's too heavy. They need help from other monsters. We should get some help from our friends. Let's see who's around town. Oh, look! There's Malcolm. He's snowed in. Malcolm, can you hear us? I think he can't. How are we going to talk to him? Are these walkie-talkies? Awesome! Hey Malcolm, Maverick has an idea. He wants you to use your magnifying glass to focus sunlight onto the snow. This should melt it and free your way. It worked! Fantastic! Now let's go and help our friends. Looks like Mike is also stuck in snow. We need to help him get out. What? You've got another idea, Maverick? That's it, Maverick. You'll be able to lift Mike with this car jack. Good job, Mike. You are a snowplow. Guys, our mission is waiting. Let's go and help Milo and Mitch. Mike, you drive first. Miranda, you are completely frozen. Guys, how are we going to get her out of this? No, Mike, you can't use your shovel. This could hurt Miranda. Sorry, Malcolm, the sun is down, so you can't use your magnifying glass trick. Any other ideas? What? You've got an idea, Maverick? I'm very curious about it. Wow! By spinning your tires, you generate heat, and the heat melts ice. How are you feeling, Miranda? That's better. You're all right now. Would you like to join us on a mission? That's great! Let's hit the road then. Poor Milo and Mitch, you look exhausted. But don't worry, Miranda is here, and will give you medicine. Here you go, guys. This will put you back on the wheels. All right, monsters. Let's put this giant Christmas tree straight up. This must be teamwork, my friends. Let's see if you can still do it. Oh no! It's tipping over again! Mike, do something! Yes! We did it! The Christmas tree is up! Fantastic job, my friends! Now we can put the decorations on. Milo, Mitch, do you have any? Wow, Mike, that's so thoughtful of you. And this is what we need after so much hard work today. Hot chocolate! How lovely! We've got a Christmas tree, we've got presents, hot chocolate, and we've got the best friends together drinking hot chocolate. Merry Christmas, my friends! See you next time!
Hi, Mike. How are you today? Looking good. What you up to? Preparing tonight's dinner, eh? It all looks very yummy. Hi, Mo. How are you doing? You look tired. Maybe you should rest for a while. What was that? It's probably just the wind. Don't worry, Mike. Sun is setting. You should probably take your corn and go home before it gets dark. Oh no! Where's your corn, Mike? What are you going to do? Do you think someone has taken it? All right, you stay here. We should call Maverick. He'll know what to do.
Woohoo! Whoa! Huh?
Hey, Marty, how's it going? What about you, Maverick?
Huh?
This really looks fun. Marty, there's an emergency.
Oh, no.
Maverick is going to have to take care of it. He'll be back soon. Don't worry. Hey, Malcolm.
Hello.
What are you looking for? Archaeology search, huh? Any good?
Nay.
Well, sorry to interrupt you in your work, but there's an emergency. Can you help?
Hurry.
Here comes Maverick. He'll explain everything. So, Mike was preparing his dinner for tonight at the cornfield, and then realized that his corn had disappeared. He needs it for dinner.
Nay.
Can you help him?
Hurry. Nay.
All right, let's go. Come on, Mike. We'll find your corn. Don't be all upset. Maverick has brought Detective Malcolm to help you on this peculiar case. Mike, could you explain to Malcolm what happened exactly? Mike was doing his daily chores on the cornfield and was collecting some corn for his dinner. When he came back to the pile to collect them, it was all gone. That's very strange. Mike, was there someone with you when it all happened? Not that Mike knows. Although, he did see Mo earlier, actually. Hey, Mo. Malcolm would like to ask you a couple of questions.
Oh.
It will only take a minute.
Babi baba.
What were you doing at the cornfield today, Mo?
피라푸투라.
Mo was towing some wood planks today to repair an old shed he used to play in when he was a kid.
Berara.
And how come we don't see your planks right now?
Huh?
Mo was very tired of the towing, so he decided to rest for a minute. His planks are just around the corner of the mill. Mo doesn't really like to be accused like that, unless you have evidence.
Midara. Nana.
Mo is probably not responsible for this, Malcolm.
사람 뭐요?
We need to find more clues, though. Don't be all moody, Malcolm. We'll find out what happened.
Oh.
Look! Corn tracks! Let's follow them.
Oh. Huh?
All right, guys. There are still corn tracks behind the mill. We should follow them and see where they lead. Well, well. What is all that? Looks like we have found your corn, Mike. But how come it's here?
Huh?
Yay!
Of course! The windmill pushed these away. Well, mystery solved, guys.
Hey.
Malcolm would like to apologize for accusing you in the first place, Mo.
Idabo.
We all knew it wasn't you, obviously.
Hurry.
Enjoy your meal, guys. See you soon. Hey, Mike. The new dock is coming along nicely. What's wrong? Oh no! A fire! We need help.
Hey.
Maverick, help! The island is burning. Come quick! It's spreading, and Mike is trapped. Let's go.
Hey.
Max, there's a fire on the island. Can you help us put it out? Hey, look! There's Mia! Mia, we need your help. Can you carry Max to the island? Awesome! Nice work, Mia. Hurry! No time to waste. Come on, everyone! Oh no!
Quicksand! Take off, Mia! Oh dear!
Para.
Pull, Max!
Mama, Mama.
Phew! Good job, guys!
Hey!
Mama,
Okay, now let's get that fire put out!
Hey.
Hurry!
Hey!
Mama, Mama.
Use your hose, Max! That's great, Mia! Throw the water from your buckets! You did it! It's out!
Oh, hey! Za!
Nice work today! You saved the island! And the dock looks great too, Mike. See you next time, friends!
Bye-bye.